Hi, I'm Joshua Clement, and today I'm going to show you how to repair a plumbing coupling. First of all, you're going to need a couple things to fix this. This is a quick connect coupling. Very fast, very easy to install, especially for those repair jobs. Also a pair of pipe cutters, so that way we can cut through the pipe without having to saw through it. And a pen or pencil. You're going to want to make sure that you shut off all the water before starting this project. That way you don't cut in and have a huge mess on your hands. What we're going to do is we're going to take our quick connect coupling, put it over the replacing area, and put some lines on there where the ridges are. That way when you slide it in there, you're going to have a nice tight fit. So we got our lines marked. So we're going to take our pipe cutters, put it on our line, and begin to cut. Now we have our piece out. We're going to take our coupling, put it right on the pipe, and slip it into place. You can feel it kind of grab. Give it a nice tug, make sure it's tight in there. Push it on this side, squeeze them together. Now, if you notice, they're nice and snug in there. I love this method because it's quick, easy, and saves you a ton of money on a plumber. I'm Joshua Clement with Contractors. We just discussed how to replace a broken coupling. Thanks for watching.